Okay, so you want to know how to find your ByBit wallet address. This work in cell phone as in PC, so I'm going to teach you from PC. It's the very same. So the first thing you have to do to get your token, your wallet address, depending on the crypto you want to deposit or whatever, you have to go to this yellow button here, deposit. You have to press it, and then here you have to choose the crypto you want to get the address. Not every crypto will have the same address, so you have to choose, for example, USDT. You wait, and here you have to select the chain. This is very important because depending on the chain you will receive the money. For example, imagine your friend want to send USDT through TRC20. Both have to select TRC20, so I'm going to pick it. As you can see, you have to identify you have to verify your identity. So in that case, you can do everything. If it doesn't, if you are not verified, it will not let you. But once you do that, in my case, it's not pairing because I didn't verify. You will get the address to get the cryptocurrency. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you in the next easy way video. Goodbye.